Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm doing an unboxing video today. I got some stuff in the Boxing Day sales and it just arrived actually last night. So I've decided to open it up with you guys and show you what I got. Now everything in this box I got for, I think it came to about 107, let me just check. Oh, it doesn't say. I think it was $107 Canadian for everything that I got in here. So I ended up getting a fuel cell in the ... I forget how much these were. I want to say they were about $16 each, which I thought was really good. So there's the ... fuel cell. And then I also got a Black Lightning one. Just because I really like Black Lightning. I have the Hobo Bee and I have the set, and it is actually one of my favourites. I think it's quite an underrated print because it looks way better in real life than it actually does on camera, I think. But yeah, so that's gonna go really well when I use my Hobo Bee. So there's the inside of that. And then I also got a Be Rich in the Admiral. I did have one of these before, but I didn't end up keeping it, and I kind of regretted selling it because I do have the Commodore Be Classy. So I got another one of these. Again, I forget how much it was. It was no more than $20, I don't think. So, which is a really good price for a Be Rich, and I love the Be Rich. And then I also got a Bee set in Nantucket. I'm not sure why I got this. I don't know what I got it to go with, but it was such a good price. Again, I think it was about $20. So to get a Bee set for that price is really, really good. So I got one of those. And then last of all, I got a Be Classic in the Duchess print. This was $40, which was an amazing price. A couple of the classies on there were $20, but it wasn't in the print that I wanted. So I'll just open this up. So there it is. And I love the Duchess. I think the Duchess is a really, really nice print. So there's the Classy in the Duchess. And as you guys know, I love the Classy, so I actually really like this one. I just love the Duchess. I think it's a really, really nice print. Even if you're not a fan of this gold hardware, I think the Duchess looks really good in it. So yeah, there is what I got. My little just over $100 haul there for Boxing Day sales, which was pretty good. So that's what I ended up getting. So I could have got a lot more, but it was stuff that I didn't really need. So I didn't want to overbuy stuff that I would probably end up selling or something. So I just got stuff I really like. Apart from this Bee set, I'm not sure what I'm going to do with that, but I couldn't resist it for $20. So anyway, let me know if you guys got anything in the Boxing Day sales, because Bala Banana had a really good one on Boxing Day. I guess because they're clearing a lot of their Jujubee stuff out. But anyway, let me know in the comments below if you guys got anything. Thanks for watching.